Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about these two BMW M3 from Schuco in a 1/64 scale. Let's take a look at this one first. So here we got the box, typical box package from Schuco. Here it is, edition 1/64. Here we got some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. BMW M3 E36 blue metallic. Okay, let's open up the box. Yep, we need a tool. To be honest, I'm not a super big fan of BMW. Well, let me say it like this. If I have to choose between Mercedes and BMW, I choose Mercedes. But I do like this model, and especially from Schuco, because it looks so realistic. They've done a really good job. No opening parts, but we get a metal body and we get a metal base. That is what I like. Rubber tires with really good rolling wheels. Authentic rims. We got windows here on the side. So no open window. We have a very nice interior. Let me see if I can show you that a little bit better. BMW logo right here. And we got lanced headlights. Yeah, it looked like a micro version of the real one, and that is what I like. Yeah, only minus for me, no license plate. Yeah, that is not realistic, and I don't understand why Schuco doesn't put a license plate on it. It would be much cooler if it had a German license plate, because of course, obvious, it's a German car. Lanced rail lights. We get a nice exhaust pipe here in a chrome color. Yeah, fantastic looking car. I'm really happy with it. Okay, let's take a look at the other one. Same car, but different version, and it's got a ducktail. Let's see what it says. Yep, here it is. It also say BMW M3 E36 lightweight. In a nice white color with a racing flag here on the back, and that's the difference with the other one, the ducktail. Again, no license plate. We got some windscreen wipers molded into the glass. And again, metal base. Normal screws here, so if you want to customize it, it's much easier to open the car. Okay, let's take a look at both of them next together. So here we got the front. This side. You see they also have different rims. And for those who are not familiar with Schuco, it's a European diecast brand. Makes premium diecast. And yes, no, we have no silver paint on the side mirrors. But we do have side mirrors, and that is a plus. So yeah, very cool casting. I will put both of them on the turntable, and you can watch it for yourself. So for now, I'm saying thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your diecast friends, and I will see you next time. Happy hunting. Bye.